Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. All right, as you can see here, I'm using Windows 10, but the process is similar. Just go ahead and click on your start menu to so you'll be able to type in the search bar. All right, now in here, you're going to want to type in regedit right here. Now, once this one pops up, just go ahead and go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. Hit on Yes. All right, now once you're in here, here's what you would want to find. All right, go head over to HKey current users. All right, this one, click on this drop down. Once done, click on software right here. Another one, click on Microsoft. This one, another one, click on Windows. All right, just scroll down a bit until you find Windows right here. And another one, click on current version. This one, and a drop down as well. And the last one you would want to click is the game DVR. All right, let's go ahead and find game DVR right here. Just click on the game DVR folder, don't click on the drop down, and you will see this exact page. Now what we're going to do in here is just click on app capture enabled right here at the top. All right, right click on it and hit on modify. Now once you're in here, if you're getting the error, your value right here would be 1. All right, if you want the error to be gone, just go ahead and delete this one and enter 0. All right, in base, make sure that it is set to hexadecimal. All right, once done, just hit on OK. Once done, just close this one, and if you want to, you can restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.